Dyslexic genius here. I'm back on the 18. We're going to put the spring barrel in. Remember the ratchet paw? So we lube the shaft from the spring barrel with STP. And then on this side, don't forget that there's a washer right here. Okay, that washer has to be there. And then I put a big glob of STP on there. So all you do is you come in and line up that hole. And it's literally just get this hooked up. And that's it right there. So then you come back and you oil the two screws. I've done that, and now we'll put the two screws in, and these are special. They have a step in them like this. The ones that hold the governor shaft and spindle shaft are all threaded all the way up, but these are special just for holding the ratchet paw system in place. And that's all there is to it. Putting a barrel into an Edison diamond disc or the number 18. Next will be the speed control. And then we'll give this thing a crank up to see how she runs. And that's my tip for the day.